Dave here. In this video I want to show you how to create a list with AWeber. It's very simple. You log into the dashboard area of your AWeber account, which is where I am here, and at the top here you'll see manage lists. What you'll do is click onto that, and then you can create a list for whatever purpose you want to have. I've already got one in my system anyway, which is Prosperity Marketing System, which is my own script, my own list builder. And how you would create that list is literally by sitting on there and create a list, and that will then walk you through a series of steps as to how you would create a list with AWeber. Hope that video has been of use. If you want to find out more and get more videos from this channel, simply click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon, which will give you and choose the word all from that drop down list, and then you will be able to get a list notified of every video that gets uploaded to this channel. Thanks very much indeed for watching.